All right, so let's go ahead and create our Facebook ad. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create one using a free tool. Okay, now let's go ahead and look for an image that we can use for this example. And just to stay consistent, let's use one for the business niche or people that want to start an online business. So I'm just going to type in business. Okay, let's just use this one for this example here. Okay, and now what you want to do is use the free tool, and that free tool is canva.com, and you could get a free account or a paid account with them. And I currently have a free account. I don't use their paid account, so I'm going to go ahead and create an ad here. And I'm just going to upload the image that I just downloaded. Okay, and make sure that it covers the entire white canvas here. So let's go ahead and okay, and when you're done, you just go to download, image for web, and there you go.